Before ordering, you should have determined whether you would be mounting to the outer surface or the inside of your opening. For interior mounted installation, follow these steps. To start, lay out all of the components on a table. Measure the width and depth of the cassette box. Compare these measurements to the width and depth of the opening to ensure that the unit will fit. Next, attach the tracks for accurate height measurements. Compare this measurement to the opening's height. There are two methods of installation based on whether the installation space is parallel on the left and right sides. Measure the top and bottom of the opening to determine which method to use. If your top and bottom widths are the same, you can proceed with method A, mounting the track directly to the interior surface of your opening. Remove the PVC inserts from the track grooves and pre-drill evenly spaced holes down the inside of the groove segments. Reattach the grooves to the cassette box and install the unit into the opening. Once everything is secure, twist the PVC inserts back into the groove segments and feed the screen into them. If the top and bottom widths of your opening are more than 1/8 of an inch off, mount L brackets to the opening first. Pre-drill evenly spaced holes down the length of the brackets. Then, mount the L-channel brackets into the interior of the opening. Use a level to keep the bracket parallel with the frame of the opening. Pre-drill holes into the mounting grooves of the tracks. When you're done, attach the tracks to the cassette box. Make sure the screen is fed into the PVC inserts. Lift the cassette box and attach tracks into the opening against the L-channel brackets. Fasten the unit to the L-channel brackets by driving a screw through the previously made holes. Spray the entire length of both tracks with dry lube, wiping off any excess. To use the remote control, first hold the up and down buttons at the same time to turn it on. This will result in the screen quickly moving up and down. Extend the screen down a few inches with the remote control. Press the down arrow. If the screen starts to reel back up, hold down the My button to reverse the directions of the buttons. You'll know when the buttons are switched once the screen quickly moves up and down after holding the My button. Hold the down button until the screen reaches the lower limit. This is when the screen touches the floor. Then, hold the My and Up button at the same time. This will reel the screen back up. Once it's a foot from the cassette box, press the My button to stop it. Use the Up button on its own to reach the upper limit. This is when the bottom of the screen is right underneath the cassette box. Once ready, tap the My and Down button. Once it's moving, hold the My button for one jog. Flip the remote over and find the Program button inside a hole on the back of the remote. Use a pencil to hold the button down. The screen will do one last, quick, up and down movement. At this point, pressing the up or down buttons will move the screen to its upper and lower positions that you just programmed. You will know the fabric is in the proper position in the tracks if you push your hand on the fabric near the edges and you feel it being retained. If you remove the cassette box cover at any point during the installation, you can now reinstall it. After everything is set, attach the track covers using a rubber mallet. Make sure you place a soft material between the mallet and the track cover. The interior mounted screen installation is now complete and ready to use.